This tutorial will show you how to fade out MP3 tracks in Capcut Mobile online free video editing software completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
To fade out an MP3 track in Capcut Mobile on iPhone or Android, you want to click the app, wait for it to load, open up a project. So the first step is to click Add Audio, which is underneath the video clip, and then click Sounds or Brand Music, Sound Effects, you choose. I'm going to click Travel, which is next to Summer, next to Vlog, VIP Hot. This is basically the first option, which says TikTok Sounds. And choose whichever sound or audio piece in free TikTok music with using Capcut Mobile. The plus icon right here. Click the audio piece. I'm going to scroll to the very end. Audio is too long and you want the duration to be shorter, you can click Split, which is next to Fade. It cuts the audio piece, and then click Delete at the bottom right hand screen. Choose to extend the audio track, dragging to the right. Still selected and highlighted, click the second option, Fade. I'm going to move the second option, Fade Out, to the right. And notice how it added a peak, a curve, and click the check mark. Voila.